Pontevedra. Yan o, dyan tayo bibili. Hanap tayo ng charging station. Wala daw kasi ano ba yung pinuntahan natin? Robinson. Tapos dito sa may Landers ay ginagawa pa. So Vista Mall tayo, Santa Rosa, Nuvali, ha? Ayun. Butin, pang atin talaga 'yan. Yan, buhay na naman tayo. Ang ating ay 43%. Nuvali. Charging station, AC mobility.
Yeah, I go.
Charging.
Okay, let's go. Ayoko mang.
Kita-kita yung ano.
Ako yun.
Ay, tira mo.
Ay, ba't may parang may nakahanda na kay Pochi?
Ay, dala kanina kasi nga may dog eh. Wow!
Oh, may higaan si Pochi, oh.
Chi!
What you want to eat?
Ayun na. Higa ka. Oh, ayan o.
Sosyal.
Wow!
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 Mochi, mochi.
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama! Look at the view!
Hindi ako ba na? May balcony. May balcony.
Kita-kita yung taal.
Pwede dito magkape. Pwede dito magkape.
May garden.
Pochi,
Kita
no,
ang taal.
no, no.
Look at the
Wala
taal.
akong tubig. Dito ba yung remote?
Laki rin eh. No?
O dito ako pwede mirror.
Yee!
Oh, I feel bad now. I feel like I'm actually from.
Ah!
The brow engineer.
Yee!
Brow artist turns eyebrows into art form. But you still find some joy in working on people's brows. The satisfaction I see in my clients.
That's my vitamin.
That's my vitamin.
Wow! Ganda ng ano,
Grabe!
article.
Sobrang nakakaano ng birthday ano na to.
Yee! Aray ko.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Allure.
Allure? Welcome to Allure. Hi, Allure Philippines. This is Pia Lee.
May video pa yan.
May video pa. Doon ako natatakot. And this is how your brows can transform your entire face.